Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hard zoom in Alight Motion. First, open the Alight Motion application and begin a brand new project. You can choose any aspect ratio that suits your content, perhaps 16:9 for a standard video. Next, bring your chosen video clip or image into the timeline. Make sure your media is perfectly placed and sized on the canvas before we dive into the exciting zoom effects. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now let's add the keyframes for our hard zoom. Select your media layer on the timeline and tap on the Move and Transform option. You'll see 3 icons. Choose the third one for scaling. Place your first keyframe at the exact moment you want the zoom to begin. Then, advance just a few frames, perhaps 5 to 10 frames, and add a second keyframe, significantly increasing the scale. Immediately after, add a third keyframe, returning the scale to its original 100%. To achieve that distinct hard zoom, we need to utilize the graph editor. Between your first and second keyframes, tap the graph icon. Choose an ease in curve, pulling the handles to make it very steep at the end, creating a rapid acceleration into the zoom. Then, move to the space between your second and third keyframes. Here, select an ease out curve, adjusting its handles to make it extremely steep at the beginning. This ensures an immediate, sharp snap back to the original size. Finally, it's time to refine and export your masterpiece. Play back your animation multiple times to check the timing and intensity of your hard zoom. If it's not quite right, simply adjust the keyframe positions or tweak the graph curves until it feels perfect. For an extra touch, you might consider adding a subtle motion blur effect to enhance the dynamic feel. Once you are completely satisfied, proceed to export your video in your desired resolution, perhaps 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 30 frames per second.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.